morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are in the world. You are watching Signature FX's special edition, episode 8. And this is our last and final video before 2018. My name is Padias Grove, and on behalf of Andrew Ibrahim and myself, we are Signature FX. Thank you for watching. We're going to start off with a quote, and the quote for episode 8 goes like this. I think investment psychology is by far the most important element, followed by risk control, with the least important consideration being the question of where to buy and sell. Buying and selling, yes, you have to buy in order to get into the markets, but it's not the most important consideration. Your psychology, your mental stability, and your mental strength is by far the most important element in being a successful trader. Not being afraid to enter the markets when you know is the right time to enter, or your analysis says is the right time to enter, and not being greedy or afraid to exit the markets when your analysis says it's time to exit the markets. Let's kick it off with the euro dollar quickly, because I just want to do a nice, tight, quick end of 2017 video, and that's why we call this one the special edition and not euro dollar or anything else. On the 2nd of December, we did a video, our first video on the euro dollar in episode 5, and I highly suggest, if you haven't seen that video, to take a look at it. We were looking at the euro dollar back here. December 2nd rather is going to be around here. So we're looking at euro dollar here, and we said we're going to buy 1% of our account at 1.1822. So we placed the buy limit order for 1%, 1.1822, and we placed our stop loss down here at 1.1540. We got a trigger of that buy at 1.1822, and we were in the market for 1%. Then we placed a second buy order, and we posted a video on December the 11th, and we said, and this was episode 7, that we'd like to average in and buy lower. And we placed our second buy limit order for 1% at 1.1725. And that got triggered, as you can see here on the daily. That 1.1725 got triggered. This low was 1.17175, which would have triggered our buy limit order for the second tranche, which was a 1% buy of our account, which averaged us out at exactly 1.1774 for 2% of our account. And that's where we are right now. We have a 2% buy at 1, which is averaged in at 1.1774, and then we have our stop loss down here at 1.1540, and we're going to keep an eye on this position. Right now, market's closed Friday up here. Let's have a quick look at 1.1863. So we're in profit right now. We're actually quite happy with our buy, and let's move our average in price. Actually, you know what we'll do? Create a new line, 1.1774, and we'll make this one another color. So we got yellow for our first 1%, green for our second 1%. Let's make it a nice Bermuda color, summary color, and we'll do a dotted line for that. So that's where we are. We are here, averaged in for 2% of our account, and the price is here. So we're averaged in at exactly 2% of our account at exactly the price of 1.1774. Market price closed at 1.1863. Moving on now to cryptocurrencies. I had the pleasure of corresponding with Andrew Ibrahim earlier in the month on December 13th and 14th. And he was very much a proponent of Ripple, which is a cryptocurrency that is being heavily adopted and has since our talking been the topic of many conversations and headlines all over the internet. And Andrew, back on, as you can see from this WhatsApp chat, would have been this. Below this would have been December 14th, so above this was December 13th. And Andrew Ibrahim had told me over the phone that he was looking at Ripple from a technical analysis standpoint, and as a founder and owner of Signature FX, he was very much interested in the future of Ripple. So I didn't have the phone conversation recorded, but I did have this WhatsApp chat recorded, and I basically let him know that I did pick up some Ripple after we spoke, and it was up to 40 cents, and I said, great call. I explained to him that I entered the Ripple purchase at 0.29, which is 29 cents, and this would have been around December 11th, December 10th, or the week before December 10th, where I got in at 29 cents for Ripple. And I just wanted him to know, it was a great call, and we'll look at a chart of Ripple later, but Andrew Ibrahim did call it as a buy at around 0.25, I believe, between 0.20 cents and 25 cents. There was also another call by Andrew Ibrahim on the 21st. You can see here, 21st of December at 3:18, and he said, see a crash coming, Bitcoin to at least 10,000. And if you look here, you can see the price was around 1,500 when he made that call, and he actually sent this to me on the 21st of December. So, as you can see here, Ripple is currently at 98 cents, and Andrew Ibrahim was spot on this call. I have to say, props is due, and I give props to you. That was a great call back here. Let's see, December 10th it was, I think, when he had a telephone conversation with me, and he was saying from a technical analysis standpoint and from his experience as a cryptocurrency specialist, he saw Ripple as a great buying opportunity at around 20 cents. I was a little late to the party, but I did purchase some at 29 cents, and as you can see, it's been fairly parabolic. It's purely rallying and bullish. Right now it's at 99 cents, which is an incredible increase in such a short period of time. It's a great call on that one, Andrew. And Bitcoin, Andrew was calling for a pullback in Bitcoin, and that was back on the 21st of December. 21st of December was here, and I'm using CEX.io. Obviously, prices are going to be different on different exchanges, but you can see what happened after the 21st of December was you got a drop all the way down as low as 12,550. So that was an awesome call as well. He saw Bitcoin dropping lower, and well, I guess we'll have to wait and see what happens with Bitcoin, but great call on that one as well. Ladies and gentlemen, from all of us here, like I said in the beginning, we are so privileged to have you as our followers and as our viewers. We are here to help you and to provide you with insight and information. Please feel free to email us at info@signaturefxa.com. Our website is www.signaturefxa.com. You can also follow us on social media. All of our social media links are in the description below. This is the time of year when people are spending time with family and friends and loved ones, and we want you to have a very safe and very enjoyable holiday season, and we also want you to have a very prosperous new year. We're going to take some time and spend our time with family over the next few days and weeks, and when we come back after the new year, we'd like to start off fresh and provide you with unprecedented content and give you what you find most helpful. And to help us to do that, we'd kindly ask for you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on social media, and to also share our links with friends and family. Thank you so much for your time and attention. Hope that you found at least one thing from this video helpful, and we very much look forward to kicking off 2018 with a positive note, with tons of content, and with the mindset that we know that we have the discipline and the mental strength to invest and to grow our portfolios. Thank you. And as I always end our videos, happy trading and happy holidays.